What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy DS Dan. I am back again with another video for you guys. Take a look, man. We got the Air Jordan 1 Heritage on deck. About to give you guys a detailed review and an on feet, so stay tuned for that on feet. But yeah, man, we got a dope colorway right here, guys. I'm really souped to have these, no lie. These are nice. They are fire, dope packaging. Everything about these, I love them, and that's it. That's just my opinion. I'm giving it to you guys straight off the back. I'm about to give you guys a detailed review and an on feet, so stay tuned for that on feet. But before we get into this video, all you guys out there, make sure you hit that thumbs up, click that subscribe, and also click the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload videos like these. These did release overseas. Not in the US yet. The US is going to be on the 25th, but give you guys a 360 look. Bang, bang. Look at that. Now, the release date for US is going to be May 25th. All right. Retail will be 170 bucks. And yeah, let's just get straight into it, man. We're going to start off with the box. The box is just nice. Take a look at the size tag. Size tag reads Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG. The colorway is white, university, red, black. Inside the box, you got your regular white paper, and that is it. Let's get into it, man. Starting with the outsole. As you can see, all red outsole, Nike branding in the bottom. Very, very nice. All right, now you can see we got a white midsole that goes around the whole shoe. Clean, clean, clean. You got a whole nice leather upper swoosh in the tumble leather. In red, the mid panel here is in a white leather. You got your red hits, Air Jordan with the wing and the basketball. Does come with 3 sets of laces. You got your white laces, you got your red laces, and it does come with black laces on the shoe. The front of the toe box, as you can see, nice tumble leather on the front of the toe. You got the red toe, black laces, like I said, going up on the tongue. You got the nylon on the tongue, Nike Air on the tongue. Medial, same as the lateral. You got your red going towards the back, red swoosh, white midsole with the white leather. Now, as for sizing on these Jordan 1s, I do recommend you go true to size. Go true to size and you be good to go. Inside of the shoe, you basically got an all white inner sole, Nike Air in the red, sock line in black. When we get to the back of the shoe, take a look. You can see black, red, white in the back, and back here is very plushed. Like, I mean, back here, guys, the leather feels so soft. Really, really soft back here. You can see the tumble effect all on it. Look at that. Very, very nice quality on this shoe, I must say. Now, that is basically it, man. Quick review on the Air Jordan 1 Heritage that is set to release May 25th in the States. I want to know what you guys think about these in the comment sections below. Is this a cop? Is it a pass? Like, you guys feeling them? I like them, man. I think they dope, and I'm happy to add these to the collection. If I was to rate these 1 out of 10, I'm gonna give these a solid 8. I like them that much. Just something about them. This is the perfect shoe for the summer. You guys want to be chilling, definitely grab these. All right, now they will be releasing in a full-size family run, so you guys don't have to worry. But it might be hard to get, you know what I'm saying, because just the packaging is nice. You got a clean looking Jordan 1, and the quality is pretty good. So definitely be on these, man. I think these will sell out fast. All right, now when I do the on feet, I think I'm gonna put the white laces on. I think it's gonna just set the shoe off more. I always say, man, whatever kind of tongue you got on your shoe, you should match it with your laces. So white tongue, white laces, I think it's gonna give that clean look. But let me know also which laces you guys like better in the comment sections below. Definitely go follow my Instagram. I will leave the link in the description. I want to thank all you guys out there, all my day ones. I love you guys. I appreciate everybody's support. And yeah, man, we're about to get into this on feet, so you guys could decide if you like them and if you want to pick them up May 25th. So enough talking, man. Let's get into this on feet. It's your boy DS Dan. I'm gone.